Hi guys, I am Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com, and today we are going to start a new series of videos where we will understand each and every concept relating to stock market, means the complete knowledge from A to Z. We will cover each and every topic. So this series is going to be of more than 100 videos where we will cover more than 100 topics. So that will include that what the stock market is, what is the theoretical part, how to use that knowledge, what is fundamental analysis, what is technical analysis, what is the candlestick chart pattern where we should open the demat account, and what are the charges and what are the tax implications on it. We will cover each and everything: options trading, futures trading, and commodities trading as well. We do cover we will cover each and everything. So what the stock market is the first topic. See, stock market is a place where we can buy and sell shares of listed companies. Those are listed in India. So the companies do get listed nowadays on two exchanges. One is the National Stock Exchange and second one is the Bombay Stock Exchange. So these are basically two shops where we can buy and sell the shares of listed companies. So the prices on both the shops, on both the exchanges are the same, and we can buy on one exchange and we can sell on the another exchange. So there is no difference as such. To do any transaction, to buy any share of any listed companies, we need to have a demat account first. And we do have money in our bank account, so we do keep the shares in our demat account. That demat account is get linked with our bank account. So whenever we will buy shares of any company, so the shares will be deposited in our demat account and the money would be transferred from the bank account. And when we do sell shares, so the shares will go out from our demat account and the money will come in our bank account. So this is a very smooth online transactions. Everything is online, so no third party involvement, no third party transaction. Means third party transactions means here that the clearance corporation of India, clearing corporation of India will take care of the entire third party transaction, from whom we have bought these shares and to whom we are selling these shares. So we need not to think about it. And every broker where we are going to open this demat account is basically give us the mobile application, just like the bankers do give the mobile application, and with the help of few finger taps we can do these transactions. So it is going to be very easy, and this is very easy actually. So in this video we have understood that stock market is basically a place where we can buy ownership in companies. Ownership means we can buy shares of these companies. We will understand what these shares are, and we will in the next video we will understand why these shares are issued, and what is IPO and what is the secondary market. So each and every topic will keep on covering in next more than 100 videos. So do keep on coming in every day to check what is the new topic, and all these topics would be covered in a manner that it starts from point 1 and it leads up to the Z point. So A to Z we will cover everything in a sequence manner, so that we can learn everything in a very smooth way. And nothing is like okay, first we understand the options trading, then we understand the equity. No, it's not like that. So it will be a gradual journey, like first nursery, then LKG, UKG, and first, second, third, fourth, and then graduation, then post graduation. It would be in that manner. It is going to be fun, and it is going to be a great journey, great learning. It is going to be for everybody, whether you are a newcomer or whether you are already trading in the market, because there are a lot of points which we may be missing. And as far as the knowledge is concerned, means the more number of hours we will be giving to acquire knowledge, the more efficient we would become. And there is nothing more important than enhancing our skills and to polish our trading and investing skills. So I am Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com. Do subscribe, do like, so that you could get notified when the new video comes tomorrow. It would be coming every day. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.